It's spooky season!
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby.
Child. Anyway, so it's spooky season. Did you hear that? Spooky season. So October, November, and December, best 3 months. No one's gonna fight me about this. It just is. This beautiful fall-inspired color. It's giving me Ariel the Little Mermaid. It's giving me Poison Ivy. It's giving me Kim Possible. Period. So hype right now. Y'all don't understand how long I've been wanting a color like this. So basically I styled it, I dyed it, I installed it. I think I did everything, the plucking, every little itty bitty thing. So if you guys want to know how I got this beautiful fall inspired color, just keep on watching, baby girl.
So basically I'm using 3 Adore dye, 2 in cinnamon and 1 in Cajun spice. My hair is from Arabella hair. I promise you I'm going to use a different hair brand sooner or later, but I think the hair is in like 22 inches. I'll put it down in the description box. But I had 13 times 4 lace, and all I'm doing right now is to protect my lace. I'm using Vaseline. I promise you, it's a lifesaver. And then I sprayed a little bit of that to be good. Now I'm just pouring some lukewarm water into the bucket. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna dip my hair in the water because it's always good to make the hair wet first and then dip it into your dye because it just takes color like better that way. It's just, you want to comb through it to make sure there are no tangles. First I'm gonna put in cinnamon. I hope y'all can see. Now I'm putting in 1 full bottle of Cajun spice. This looks like feces. Oh my god. Now I'm just stirring it around, making sure there's no clumps. Placing just half a bottle of cinnamon because I wanted the color to be a little bit more vibrant. And look, the lace, clean, not a stain on it. Alrighty, so I let that sit for like, I was too scared, so I just let it sit for 10 minutes. But look at the color. Like, whoa, the lace is like not dyed in any way. Like, look at that. I'm gonna make this sit for a little longer in the water and then I'm gonna make it dry, condition it, shampoo it, wash it, and then we're gonna be ready to install. Period. Love that.
So basically I already plucked her and semi-straightened her, but basically I'm gonna install her now.
trying to catch a victim. I took a L, but now I'm back then.
You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Baby, baby, baby. I'm losing the rest of me. Worry that I wasted.
Gonna see me do my dance. My whole lot chops on your ass.
Alrighty, so I did my makeup and I look so different, don't I? But this is the finished color, this is the finished unit. This just makes my heart happy. I want you guys to sound off in the comment down below. Is this hitting? Is it hitting like I think it's hitting? Because it's hitting, period. I recommend all my girls out there, try a color. Start with blonde and then go down the rainbow. Go down the rainbow. It's literally the perfect fall color. And it's like, it's fitting and it's hitting and we love to see it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you in some way to try to get this color or like to see a woman of color in a color like this, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and put your post notifications on so you can see my next new video. Because October, it's going to hit. And that's on what? Period. Okay, thank you guys, love you guys, and see you guys next time. And recommend some new colors down below for me to rock, okay? Bye guys.